Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I know I've been gone for 2 weeks, but I'm ready to get back on schedule. I ordered something for the car that every car guy usually gets when they first get their project car, unless it already came in the car when you bought it. If you bought it used, I bought one of these when I had my Honda Accent, and I know Honda Accent, but that was my project car at the time. And I wanted to order it for this car, but I never got around to doing it because I didn't know which one I wanted. But I finally figured out what I wanted. It came in yesterday while I was at work, and now I'm about to I'm about to open it up right now. So let me go ahead and set you guys up on a tripod, and we'll start doing the unboxing. All right, so excuse the noise. My neighbors are getting their yard cut, so you might hear a lawnmower in the background for a little while. Go ahead. Damn it. So yeah, I went ahead and ordered this. I thought it'd be pretty cool to have on the car since I had it on my old project that I was working on back in the day. But pull this out. Alright. You guessed it. Yeah, I got me a short ram intake. That's what I went ahead and got for the car. How that looks. So yeah, this is what I got. Short ram. What else is in there? All the pieces that come with it. Got it in red to match the engine bay. And here is the pot filter. Yeah, looks pretty good. Looks like it has good quality. So I'm kind of ready to install this already, see how it looks on the inside, how it sounds. So let me go ahead and pull the car in again, and we can get started. Alright, so what I have to do is take out this box, take out the sensor, take this out, take all that out. The first thing I'm gonna do is take out the negative cable, take that off, and then we'll get started bolting everything and then taking off the sensor right here. Alright, so I got the battery unplugged. I'm gonna take this off. First thing. If I can get it off. You know what? I think I'll just pop these clips. That looks way better. Right. Throw that to the side. Take out this. Okay. Now, what I want to do is tape this out, sensor. Oh, simple as that. Cool. Alright, now I got that out. Next thing I'm gonna do is just take this big bulky box out, since this is only the other thing. This was already loose. I think I was messing with it before or something, but it's already loose, so let's do it by hand real quick. Throw it to the side. Alright. Let me see if I can find any other pieces. Alright, so down here there's one, and I think there's one right here by the reservoir. Just put this to the side right here. Alright, there we go. There we go. I finally got the box out, get everything out. Now it's time to start test fitting and mocking it up, see how it's gonna fit. We'll go ahead and grab that real quick. Grab this. this. Man, it's gonna suck if it doesn't fit. So I believe it's that goes around. Yeah, that's should go. All right. What's this? Oh, that'd be stupid. All right. So put you guys back on the tripod. I'm gonna start trying to put everything together real fast. All right, so I was supposed to be showing you guys how I installed the intake, but I didn't because I ended up having to leave and I had to do some other stuff. Then I went to work, and then the next day I found out the battery was dead to the camera. So I was like, oh man, so I charged it. And so today I finally was able to finish the video. So that was on Thursday, and today is now Saturday. I'll tell you guys exactly how I installed it so you can get an idea of it. This hose right here, I connected down here. I want to get another one because see how it's bent right there. I want to get another one so it can be longer. It won't be as bent like that. And that comes from this hose right here. I believe it's this way. Yeah, this way. So this hose right here that goes around is this hose that comes right here and goes right there. So the bottom one is the hose I told you that was all bent, and that's the one that you take out if you have this type of setup in your Honda. This hose didn't come with the intake itself. I had to go to AutoZone and go buy one and put it on there, and then I clamped it down right here, clamped this down right here. Also to the sensor I put in right here. I forgot what the sensor's called, but I put it right here. And then of course the filter pods right here. Now the only problem with this is that it's just floating in the air. Well, if I have it up like this, it's just floating, and obviously that's just a little too high, and if I let it go, it's just sagging off to the side. I really don't like that. And also it came with these brackets. I don't even know what to do with them. I'm thinking about just emailing the seller that I bought this from off of eBay and just ask them like exactly what are the brackets for, why are they not connected to it or anything. Do I have to get them welded on? Is it supposed to be like right here and then this part holds it up? I don't know, but I don't like the fact that it's like that. I already been driving with it like this already, and it doesn't seem like anything is wrong while I'm driving. It sounds great. Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn the car on a little bit and let you guys hear how it sounds. But I just don't like it how it's sitting like that. I just really don't. And if you guys know how to put these on, like if you have this exact type of setup with this exact product from eBay, if you've ever bought one before, please tell me in the comment section, what are these brackets for and what do I do with them? But let me go ahead and turn the car on so you guys can hear how it sounds. Alright, so this is what it sounds like. Alright, so I'm gonna close it out for this video. Like I said, the last 2 weeks I was kind of busy, so I wasn't able to do anything to the car or make a video about the car. So I'm gonna get back to it, back to the weekly upload, and start posting again. So like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can know when I post another video about the car. And until then, I catch you in the next one. Peace.